Okay, let's go check our work. So part one of your must-dos was to complete number 1. Okay, so number 1, your answer should look like this. Guys, this was a very important sentence right here. 2 birds are in each cage. So you should have only circled 2 birds for each cage, and your answer was 4. So if you circled 4 birds, you still would get the same answer here, but that means you're still a little bit confused about number of groups and size of groups. So remember that we're trying to figure out what we know in the problem, and we're trying to figure out our unknown. So if you got those mixed up, you're still a little bit confused about those two things, and that's okay. Let's go ahead and check number 5. Okay, number 5. Roy eats 2 cereal bars every morning. So I know the size of my group is 2. Okay, he has a total of 12 bars in the box. So I know that there are 12 bars in this whole box. So over here, I put 2 bars for each morning. So and then I went ahead and counted to 12 because I know that my total is 12. So I said 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. But then I had to go back and count how many days was that. So because the question is asking me how many days will it take Roy to finish one box. So here Roy has eaten the whole box because I counted to 12, counted to 12. And you see my number of days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 divided by 2, this is 12 bars in a box, divided by 2 bars each morning equals 6 days. So it will take Roy 6 days to finish one box of bars. Guys, if you are getting your known and unknown a little bit mixed up, that is okay. This is very tricky, but it's very important for us to learn it in 3rd grade. So if you're getting the unknowns and the knowns mixed up, if you got some errors on number 1 and number 5, I want you to stop the video and go try number 2. So stop the video, go try number 2, and think about your knowns and your unknowns. What do I already know, and what am I trying to figure out? If you need the teacher, please raise your hand and ask questions. Okay, if you got all of these correct, if you got number 1 and number 5 correct, then I want you to stop the video and go work on number 6. Okay, that one's a little bit different. I want you to be careful about your knowns and unknowns and pay attention to those. So if you got 1 and 5 correct, go do number 6. If you had a little bit of trouble with number 1 and number 5, then I want you to go try number 2. Thank you.